decided to create an app called Stats in the Paint that allows you to view the stats of your favorite NBA team and players. And we realized, with both of us being big NBA fans, but we really love the data and analytics behind the NBA. This is why we created this app geared more towards the analytics side. Our app is a command line interface application, and we went with the route of seeding our database through an API integration. So the goal of our app is to provide analytics and stats hungry NBA fans with up to date stats of their favorite teams and players. So from here, I will let Andres walk you through our project.
Hey there, guys. So to get started, we run the program. You're going to want to run the run.rb file for the program. And when we start, our first option is going to be whether we want to start with or without music. I love music, and I think you guys might recognize what the song is. So I'll turn this up so we can catch this. Marianne, you hearing this all right?
I am.
So if you can't hear it, it's the NBA on TNT theme song. So first, so it's going to ask you for your username. So I'm going to put in my username. And because I can't hear over the music right now, I'm going to turn it off. So great option that we provided to turn on and off the music. So our home screen displays our favorite team, which for me is the Spurs. They're obviously the best team in the league. Marianne can agree.
I'm a Sixers fan.
she's really a Spurs. But once we get to our home screen, there are 6 options. The first is to browse team stats, and that's going to be the team that you've chosen as your favorite team. We are also able to browse player stats. That's the player stats from your favorite team. We have the option to change our favorite team. And a fourth option to view the NBA season team stat rankings, which basically displays the top 5 teams that lead each stat category. That's one of our interesting facts that we'd like to include with our data analytics, and obviously the option to exit the program, and again to turn the music on and off. So let's start with some team stats for the Spurs. Let's see how they did last year. So not too great, 32 and 39, about a 45%.
Favorite team, huh?
45 percentage. They could have done better. I think they should have done better, and they will do better in the 2020 season. So we go back to the home screen, and let's see some player stats. We've got LaMarcus, Marco, DeMar, Rudy, Manu Ginobili. Interesting. So a lot of the data we pulled from the API had some errant data. Don't know why they had Manu Ginobili, but when we click on Manu, we'll get the message that unfortunately Manu did not play in the 29 season, which of course is true. So we can go and try and pick another player. DeMar definitely played. Let's see how he did. So DeMar had 21 points per game. Wasn't too bad. We've calculated field goal percentage, free throw percentage, some of the other stats like assists, steals, blocks, and plus minus. He had a plus minus average of minus 1.3. So he definitely could have done better last year, and could have definitely helped get our record up. So let's go back to the home screen, and let's say I want to change team. Let's take a look at Marianne's Philadelphia 76ers. So we can change our team, go back to the home screen, and now you can see that it displays a Sixers logo for our favorite team. And so team stats again, Philly went 43 and 30, a little bit better than the Spurs, but I don't think they were a better team. So go back to the home screen, and stats is going to be the same thing. Changing the favorite team is going to be the same. Let's take a look at the NBA season team stat and rankings. So here are the season leaders. We can see Milwaukee They definitely did the best as far as points per game at 118. We can go all the way up down to 3-point percentage. Utah Jazz were the best 3-point shooting team last year.
That's interesting.
Did not think that.
No.
They did better than Miami, Portland, and the Spurs.
Your team did make it here a few times. I do see that. That's good for you.
Now the Spurs were good stat leaders, but apparently not very good winning games. So going back to the home screen, that's about all the functionality we have for now.
Oh, I think we have one player. One player we want to look at.
Oh, yeah, there's a little Easter egg I included. When we view a certain player's stats, so when you go to the Lakers and you check out the best player in the league, his name is LeBron James, you get a nice little Easter egg sound bit.
LeBron James.
Well, we hope you enjoyed our application.
Yep, and that's it. So I'm going to exit. Goodbye, have a good day, and adios.
Bye, guys.